Hi dear students, welcome to Conceptum classes. Today's our session is 11th class maths, chapter number 3, trigonometric functions. We will study the basic concepts involved in this trigonometric functions in this session. Let us recall what you have studied in 10th class. Trigonometry. What is trigonometry? You may remember in 10th class we have defined what is trigonometry. That trigonometry, it is derived from a Greek word, from two Greek words, trigon and metron. Trigon means triangle and metron means measurement. That trigonometry means the measurement of sides and angles of a triangle. It is trigonometry. This you have already studied, and in 10th class you have already studied what are trigonometric ratios of acute angle with respect to sides. Now in this chapter, trigonometric ratios, we will generalize the concept of trigonometric ratios to trigonometric functions. Concept of trigonometric ratios to trigonometric functions we will generalize in this trigonometric functions. So let us start with the basic points. First is angle. What is angle? In the earlier classes, right from 4th class, you define an angle when two rays have a common endpoint. An angle is formed. The point where the two rays meet is known as vertex O. Now, here in this chapter, when we define an angle, when two rays have a common endpoint, an angle is formed. This ray of angle, it is known as initial line. What is known as initial line? Or we call it as baseline. And this ray, it is known as terminal line. It is known as terminal. And angle always starts from baseline to terminal line. It always starts from baseline to terminal line. The angle which starts from baseline to terminal line, it is known as positive angle. What? It is known as positive angle. Positive angle is that angle which is in the anti-clockwise direction. अब यहाँ देखिए direction, baseline to terminal line, it is anti-clockwise. It's a positive angle. It is angles in the anti-clockwise direction. They are positive angles. For example, if I make 30-degree angle, this is 30-degree angle. Starts from baseline to terminal line in the anti-clockwise direction. This is positive angle. If I make 60-degree angle, this is 60-degree angle. This is baseline and this is terminal line. Starts from baseline to terminal line. 60-degree angle, it's a positive angle. So all those angles which are in the anti-clockwise direction, they are positive angles. Then what are negative angles? What are negative angles? angles which are in the clockwise direction. Angles in the clockwise direction. They are negative angles. They are negative. Clockwise direction. Take the baseline. This is the baseline. This is the terminal line. This angle. This is in the clockwise direction. Means this is negative angle. तो एंगल जो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में होगा वो पॉजिटिव एंगल होगा और जो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में होगा वो नेगेटिव एंगल होगा. एंगल जो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में होगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा और क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में तो नेगेटिव एंगल होगा. तो सिंपली आप याद रखेंगे बेस लाइन के ऊपर जो एंगल बनेंगे वो पॉजिटिव होंगे, बेस लाइन के नीचे जो एंगल बनेंगे वो नेगेटिव एंगल होंगे. Pause the video and note it down. Let us draw some angles. Draw some angles. This is the baseline. This is the terminal line. When this terminal line rotates, जब ये terminal line rotate करेगी, यानी पहले यहाँ थी, फिर यहाँ आएगी, फिर यहाँ आएगी, फिर यहाँ आएगी, फिर यहाँ आएगी, फिर यहाँ आएगी और फिर यहाँ आ जाएगी इसके ऊपर. यानी फिर यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गई, यहाँ आई, फिर यहाँ आई, फिर यहाँ, फिर यहाँ, फिर यहाँ, फिर यहाँ और फिर यहाँ. तो कौन सा एंगल बनाया? 360 का एंगल बनाया. यानी इसने जब यहाँ गया फिर ये पूरी जो रोटेट हो गई इसके ऊपर आई तो इसने एक पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट किया. तो दिस इज 360 डिग्री एंगल. दिस इज 360 डिग्री एंगल. जब यही टर्मिनल लाइन इस बेस लाइन की स्ट्रेट होगी तो ये 180 डिग्री का एंगल होगा, स्ट्रेट एंगल जिसको हम कहेंगे. जब इसके परपेंडिकुलर होगी यानी यहां से तो ये 270 डिग्री का एंगल होगा. जब ऐसे होगी तो ये 90 डिग्री का एंगल होगा. These are all positive angles because they are anti-clockwise direction में पूरे सारे एंगल बने हैं anti-clockwise direction में. तो ये पॉजिटिव एंगल्स होंगे. क्या होंगे? पॉजिटिव एंगल्स. नेक्स्ट इज डिग्री मेजर. डिग्री मेजर. So if the rotation of the terminal line is 1/360th of the revolution, then it describes a 1 degree angle. It describes a 1 degree angle. That means 1 degree angle is 1/360th. 1/360th of the rotation. You must remember 1 degree means 60 minutes. This line, it stands for minute. The small line, it stands for minute. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. double line, I say, it stands for second. It stands for second. Single line for minute and double line for second. 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 second, 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Now, when we say 30-degree angle, so here degree is the measure of this angle. 30-degree angle, 40-degree angle, 50-degree angle. So what is degree? It is 1/60th of the rotation of the terminal line. जब rotate करेंगे 1/60th, 1/360th of the rotation is 1 degree. Is 1 degree. Now, what is a radian? What is radian? Actually, here the measure of angle is done in two ways: in degrees and in radians. So degrees we have already discussed. And what is a radian? What is a radian? To understand a radian, you take a unit circle. Take a unit circle. Unit circle means whose radius is 1 unit. Whose radius is 1 unit. Then take an arc of the same length. Let AB be the arc of the same length. Same length here means 1 unit, because radius of the circle is 1 unit. When we take the arc of the same length, that means 1 unit. The angle which this arc makes at the center, this angle, it is known as radian. It is 1 radian. C, 1 ऊपर C, it means 1 radian. It means 1 radian. जिस तरह डिग्री 330 डिग्री के लिए हम थोड़ा जीरो ऊपर लगाते हैं, छोटा सा, तो रेडियन के लिए हम C लगाते हैं ऊपर. रेडियन के लिए C लगाते हैं ऊपर. This means 1 radian. So that means radian is the angle subtended by a unit arc. By a unit arc at the center of a unit circle. Of a unit circle. Unit circle means circle having 1 unit as its radius. As it is radius. It is known as 1 radian. It is known as 1 radian. Now, for example, if the radius of a circle, is, for example, 2 centimeter, then you take the arc of length 2 centimeter. Take the arc of length 2 centimeter. The angle which it subtends at the center will be 1 radian. Will be 1 radian. How it will be 1 radian? You must remember, angle is equal to length of arc divided by radius of circle. Angle is always equal to length of arc divided by radius of circle. You must remember this. Important. Angle is equal to length of arc divided by radius of circle. Here, when I say length of arc, that was 2 divided by the radius of circle, that was also 2. 2 and 2 cancels. It means 1 radian. The angle is 1 radian. So in general, let theta be the angle. Let theta be the angle subtended by an arc of length L at the center. At the center. So let theta be the angle subtended by an arc of length L at the center of a circle of radius R. Then Then we know that angle is equal length of arc divided by radius of circle. Angle, here we have kept angle as theta. Theta is equal to length of arc as L, length of arc as L, and radius of circle as R. That means theta is equal to L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. That means angle subtended by an arc at the center is length of arc divided by radius of circle. Theta is equal to L by R. Pause the video and note it down. Now, relation between degree measure and radian measure. Relation between degree measure and radian measure. So we have already seen that angle is equal to length of arc divided by radius of circle. Now if we take a circle, with center O and radius R, then this circle itself is an angle of 360 degree. It is an angle of 360 degree. That means circle subtends an angle of 360 degree at the center. So here, circle subtends an angle of 360 degree at the center. And here the circumference becomes the length of the arc. That means here L is equal to circumference. L is equal to circumference of the circle. That means L is equal to circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Now here, use the relation theta is equal to L by r. What is theta here? It is 360. L, length of arc, that is 2 pi r divided by r. R and r cancels. That means 360 degree is equal to 2 pi, or 360 divided by 2 is equal to pi. 180s or 180 degree is equal to pi, or we can say pi is equal to 180 degree. Pi is equal to 180 degree. Or in other words, we can write 180 degree is equal to pi. 180 degree is equal to pi. Then 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. Then 1 degree will be pi by 180. What about 30 degrees? 30 degree will be pi by 180 into 30. 31 is 36. That means 30 degree is equal to pi by 6. What about 45 degree? 45 will be pi by 180 into 45. 45 fours. So 45 degree will be pi by 4. 60 degree. It will be pi by 180 into 60. 63 is a, that means 60 degree is equal to pi by 3. And pi is in radians. Pi is in radians. Similarly, 90 degree will be pi by 2. Pi by 2. 270 degree will be pi by 180 into 270. 0 and 0 cancels. 9 3s are 9 2s are. So it will be 3 by 2 pi. 180 degree. It will be pi. 360 degree will be 2 pi. This is the relation between degree measure and radian measure. Let us put all this in a table. We pause the video and note it down that we put this thing into a table. Which is known as the relationship table. Here we have degree. Here we have radian. (30°), 45°, 60°, then 90°, 180°, 270°, 360°. You have seen 30° is pi by 3, 45 is pi by 4, 60 is 30 is pi by 6, 60 is pi by 3, 90 is pi by 2, 80 is pi, 70 is 3 pi by 2, and 60 is 2 pi. The relationship table between degree and radian. Now, conversion. How to convert degrees into measures, degrees into radians, degree measure into radian measure, and radian measure into degree measure. I will give you the formula. You remember the formula. Formula is this. Degree measure. याद रखना. Degree measure is equal to radian measure into 180 divided by pi. यानी ये फार्मूला तब लगेगा जब आपने रेडियंस को डिग्री में बनाना होगा. जब रेडियंस को डिग्री में बनाना होगा ये फार्मूला लगेगा. डिग्री मेजर इज इक्वल टू रेडियन मेजर इनटू 180 by pi, and radian measure is equal to degree measure into pi by 180. जब आपने डिग्री को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना होगा, डिग्रीज को रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करना होगा, तो फार्मूला लगेगा डिग्री मेजर इनटू पाई बाय 180. कीप अ नोट ऑफ दीज टू फार्मूला. आगे बहुत काम आएंगे, तो इस पूरे को नोट करिए. You pause the video and note it down. I hope you have understood. This is the end of this session, and in the next session we will discuss exercise, the first exercise of this chapter. Till then, you remain safe. Have a good day. Thank you. So nice of you.